Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MD Workshop. On today's episode, we're looking at how you can actually clean your engine bay and do it quickly, and how you can actually, you can get that professional looking finish. I know a lot of times, I know I used to do that as well. I used to make use of a product that's heavily soaked in silicone, and while it looked very nice, it has that wet look when you open up the engine bay. It only really lasts for a day, because as you're driving, and as we all know, silicone attracts a lot of dust. So as you're driving, all that hard work that you spend into cleaning your engine bay, it falls by the wayside because of the silicone just attracting that dust. So today we're going to look at the products that I would recommend that you guys look at. So just a heads up, after we've cleaned off the engine bay. So today we're going to look at how you clean the engine bay, and then we're going to follow that up by drying it, so the different ways in which you can dry it, and then we're going to look at how you dress it. So when we dress, we're talking about, like I said before, I know a lot of times I used to do it, we use a silicone based product, but this time around I would heavily recommend that you guys make use of a water based vinyl dressing. So a lot of times it will be known as a VRT, a tire and trim dressing. So something, and the products on the description, on the labels, it will show it is a water-based, contains no silicone. And so today, the star of the show will be, on my side, one of the products I really love using is a product by Shield Chemicals. It's part of their professional range, and it's called the SP8. So as you can see in that picture, it is silicone free, so it's a water-based product. And what we're going to do is once we have cleaned off the engine bay, it will look very bland. But when we apply this, you'll actually see it will give it that natural satin black finish. And as you're driving, 2 weeks, a month will go by, and you will still have that nice satin black with minimal dust, because it doesn't attract anything. So yeah, that's all, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you step by step as to how I clean the engine bay of my Chevrolet Captiva. As you can see in the picture, the engine really does need a proper clean. So let's get started. So yeah guys, make use of a good all-purpose cleaner or an engine cleaner. In this video I'm making use of an all-purpose cleaner, diluted 1 in 10. Next up, you're going to make use of a brush. I chose to use a normal paintbrush. As you can see, it allows me to go in all the nooks and crannies and allows me to clean up the surface, whereas a sponge or a cloth just would not be able to get to. And then you just rinse it off. Now that we've done the first round of cleaning, we can see exactly where we need to focus on for the second round of cleaning. Don't be afraid to make use of the brush's bristles and get into all the nooks and crannies. That's exactly why I recommend making use of a paintbrush, because it allows the bristles to go into those tiny nooks and crannies that we just would not be able to get to under normal circumstances. If you do not have access to an electric blower, make use of a few microfiber drying towels and make sure that you dry off as much as possible before applying any dressing.